Hello dear students. So the first question which I face about the exponent. Let me clear your concept about before I simplify this question. You must understand that where we use mathematics in our daily life. Because exponent we can just solve question and we don't know about the real life example. I think this is just waste of time. So in real life we use exponent in population growths and also in computer processing speeds, especially in science and engineering. We can also use the exponents in different aspects of our life. So in simple words, if I told you in population growth, we can just say in biology that bacteria population became double within every minute, seconds, either within specific period of time. So this is exponents. How we can solve this? This question is little bit different because here the question is 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. Then what is the x to the power of 5 equal? Mostly this type of question we can face in Cambridge curriculum, which is little bit tough to understand, but actually if your concept is clear about this, you can solve it easily. So now come here, let's solve this question. So how we can simplify this type of question? Let's suppose we have question is 4 to the power of x is equal to 16. So you know the power is x here. The power is x means that we have to find the power value of x first. So you know that 1 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. And similarly 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 times 2, we get 4. And so on. 3 to the power of 2 we get 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Similarly 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. And you seen it clearly here. Instead of x we have 2 here, so we can find that x is equal to how much? 2. So in second part of this question, x to the power of 5, it means that x is base, which is equal to 2. So 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, where 2 times 2 we get 4, 4 times 2 we get 8, 8 times 2 we get 16, 16 times 2 we get 32. So our final answer is 32. I hope you understand this better. So further, if you have any this type of question, you may ask. Don't worry about this, I will be solve it for you. So I need little bit difficult, and also I need your proper feedback.